First of 4 videos on the windows of the integrated development environment for R, RStudio. The 4 windows of RStudio each deal with different functions. Today we'll look at the console window in the bottom left-hand corner. In the console window there's also a terminal tab, but we're not going to talk about that. The console window basically shows us the console. It shows us the interaction directly with R, the R program underneath our computer and underneath RStudio. So in order to do that, we can interact with the R interpreter, and we can get it to do things like we would get a computer to do. So we can say 2 plus 2, and that will give us 4. Another thing that we can do, and that we'll probably end up doing a lot, is creating objects of one form or another. Let's create a simple vector, x, back arrow, hyphen, 44. This says that we're going to take the value 44 and assign it to the object x. Now when we do that, just like it happened when we did 2 plus 2, we press enter and the code is run on the interpreter. We know that everything went well because we didn't get any red error code, and because it came to the next line and has the flashing cursor. So it seems like that happened, and we can be sure that it did happen because if we type x again in the interpreter and then press enter, 44 appears. You'll also notice that in the top right-hand corner, the environment tab, or the environment tab of the environment window, we see that x is recorded as one of the values, as one of the objects in memory, and 44 is its value. So we've been able to interact directly with the R interpreter through the console. Now we'll see later on that it's not a very efficient way to interact with the interpreter, and we'll do that later on with the script editor, but that will be for another episode.